Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Le Chameau. This one in particular called Arabia Black Aromato. This one was sent to me by Lauren J to review. So this one is part of their basically lineup, and all the opinions are mine. This is not sponsored, this is not affiliated, just pure information for you guys. Okay, so this one in particular came out 2021, and the Chateau is, or Le Chameau is, I think it's a subsidiary or a branch of House of Vetiver. I'm not sure exactly. So what I was looking, I found it on the Vetiver sometimes. Anyway, so it's another Middle Eastern brand, and I never ever heard of them before up to today, and I never handled fragrances from this brand, so it's going to be interesting. This one in particular is unisex, targeted unisex, and is 100 ml, is Eau de Parfum. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30. Attention to detail is always good with all Middle Eastern fragrance houses, and this one is no exception. Anyway, so let's get on with the unboxing. Sorry about the noise. So it's a nice textured box, and it's got a nice feeling on it. As I said, it's not too over the top, but it's good. It's a good presentation, especially for the price, under £30. And the bottle, here we go. The bottle looks very interesting. Okay, all right, so it's a very heavy bottle. It's like a brown to black, and on top we have a camel. The bottle is very, very thick and heavy. The cap is, how do you take the cap off without breaking it? All right, come on guys, what are you doing? Seriously? Oh, come on, this is ridiculous now. Why you make it so hard? I don't want to break my nail. Okay, so it was a tight fit. The camel sits in like a glass, or yeah, it is a glass, like a container, and the cap is quite heavy, and the atomizer is modern and black. And here we go. Good atomizer. So it's not pressurized, but it's very, very good. I don't want to close it because I don't want to struggle again. Anyway, so this is Arabia Black Aromato from Le Chameau, and 100 ml Eau de Parfum, and let's go. Here we go. Targeted unisex, under £30 in United Kingdom. Woo! So the first thing it hits me is the coffee. There's a big coffee, like a coffee caramel, like a coffee caramel latte with a sweetness inside it. Very, very sweet at the moment. Yeah, it's quite sweet. The sweetness from 0 to 10 being the sweetest is around 7 to 8. So it's quite sweet, but it's not overly sweet. Yeah, big coffee in here. Coffee, chocolate, caramel. Very delicious. So looks like it's very gourmand, at least for first impression. To my nose, it's very, very unisex. Anybody can wear it. And also, to my nose, is very, very ageless. Anybody from 20 to 100 can wear this easily, no problem. It's got a green tinge to it, which I'm not sure where it's come from. Is it herbal feel to it? Little bit of herbal, little bit of leafiness. Is that mint in here? It's like a minty feel to it, but it's not mint. It's like herbal, leafy, grassy, little bit of woody feel to it as well. At the moment it's in the background, so it is quite woody as well. I smell some tobacco like smell as well. It's like a leafy tobacco, so it's quite green, but in the same time it's quite brown, and in the meantime it's quite black because of that coffee, and also because of the resins which are mainly oud in here. I can smell a little bit of incensey feel to it as well. Not much, it's not huge at the moment. At the moment is in the background again. Little bit of incense, oud, coffee, tobacco. This is great. This is amazing, you know. Yeah, green, leafy, grassy, woody, wood chippy, wood cutty, oudy, warm. The warm is come from the mainly the combination of leafy tobacco, caramel, chocolate and coffee together. A little bit of sweetness. Probably there's either tonka bean or a vanilla in here, because it's got a sweetness to it. And overall it's very smooth, it's very rounded. At the moment it's smells very good quality, especially for the price. Didn't open with harshness, didn't open with alcohol, didn't open with chemical smell or anything like that. It smells quite nice for the price. I can't get over that leafiness. It's very leafy, it's very grassy, it's very green. But in the meantime, it doesn't have the typical like herbal green or grassy green or leafy green. None of those. It's quite strange. It's like it's green, but it doesn't put me in the right direction which green it is. But it's like a combination of all those things. So it's leafy, it's grassy, it's herbal. It's a little bit on the vegetables side of things, like vegetation as well. Yeah, so it's overall what to take from this in the first impression. Very good, smells great, smells very winter. So this is definitely a winter fragrance. It's a cooler weather fragrance because of those deep dense notes in here and accords in here. So it opened up quite green, quite tiny bit of freshness, but not too fresh, and but there's no citrus, there's not much floral in here to smell. If there is, it's a very minimalistic. It goes straight to the big players, which are coffee, caramel, chocolate, tobacco leaf, oud, incense, and a little bit of spiciness as well. Yeah, tiny bit of spiciness, which smells like nutmeg and cinnamon together. Okay, nutmeg, cinnamon together to give it that hint of spiciness. But it's very well done. It's very balanced. It's very smooth. At the moment, is very smells great actually, especially for this time of year, for middle of winter. This is absolutely delicious. It's very delicious. Actually, it's very gourmand. So if you like this kind of fragrances, absolutely yes, especially for the price under £30, this is a no-brainer. But I'll let you know in the next video the development, longevity and things like that. But for the first impression, yes, I'm loving it. This one, I would say, although it's ageless, but I would say 25 years and up to be in the safe side, because of those incense and the tobacco and the oud. Although you know, the caramel bit, the coffee and caramel bit of it is quite on the young side, but the rest of them are a little bit on the older side, and that's why I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, unless you like this kind of fragrances, which doesn't mean anything. In season, as I said, this is better suited for cooler weather, and we are in the middle of winter, which is very good for it. In terms of occasion, this is very opulent, so it's going out, evening, formal occasion, a special occasion and things like that. Obviously you pay for the perfume, you know where to wear it and when to wear it. This is only a recommendation. But for the first impression, yes, I'm loving it. I'll let you know in the next video the rest of it. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are hidden gems, they are amazing value for money, and they smell great. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in United Kingdom. And they are out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They are mysterious, very ancient smelling, and very, very unique and artistic. No, you can't find them anywhere else. It's just from me. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I am the creator. Okay guys, I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.